Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your computer. First, you will need to choose a reliable Android emulator for your PC or Mac. These programs simulate a complete mobile environment, letting you run phone apps directly on your desktop. This process is straightforward and quite simple, and we will cover everything you need to know. You will be battling in the arenas with better precision very soon. Selecting the right emulator is your crucial first step. Options like BlueStacks or Nox Player are excellent choices, known for their stability and gaming features. BlueStacks, for example, is very popular and generally performs well on most systems. It offers a smooth experience for mobile games, and its interface is quite intuitive. You should pick one that suits your system's capabilities. Once you have decided on an emulator, head to its official website to download the installer. The file size is typically around 500 megabytes, so it should download quickly on a decent internet connection. After downloading, run the executable file and follow the clear setup prompts. Installation usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your computer's speed. With your emulator fully installed, open it up and find the Google Play Store icon. You will need to sign in with your existing Google account or create a new one, which is a standard procedure. Once logged in, simply search for Brawl Stars in the search bar. Click the Install button, and the game will download and set up automatically within the emulator, ready to launch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.